How to fix video recording not working in Motorola N70. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, force stop camera. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search camera app. Now click on camera. Now click on force stop. After click on force stop, camera will be force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear cache camera. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Again search camera app. Again click on camera, scroll down, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix video recording not working in Motorola Edge 70. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.